Think push-ups are easy? Then why aren't your chest, shoulders, and triceps getting stronger? Here's the truth. Most people have been doing push-ups wrong for years. Let's fix that. Push-ups are one of the best body weight exercises ever created. But if your form is off, even a little, you lose strength, build less muscle, and put unnecessary stress on your shoulders. The good news? A few simple changes can make every single rep far more effective. Here's exactly how to do it. Step 1. Set up your hands. Start with your hands just outside shoulder width. Not too wide, not too narrow. Spread your fingers and press your palms firmly into the floor. This creates a stronger base and helps generate more power with every rep. Step 2. Keep your body locked. And this is where most people fail. Don't let your hips sag. Don't stick your butt in the air. Keep your head, shoulders, hips, knees, and ankles in one straight line. Brace your core and squeeze your glutes like you're about to take a punch. Your body should move as one solid unit, not like a wave. Step 3. Control the descent. Now lower yourself slowly. Your elbows should stay around 30 to 45 degrees from your body, not flared straight out. Bring your chest close to the floor while keeping full body tension. The slower and more controlled you are, the more muscle fibers you recruit. Step 4. Push with power. Drive through your palms and push the floor away. Fully extend your arms at the top without losing your body position. Don't rush the reps. Perfect reps always beat more reps. Quality builds strength. Quantity only matters when your technique is solid. Mastering push-up form will build more strength, more muscle, and healthier shoulders than doing hundreds of sloppy reps. Train with intention. Stay consistent. And remember, it's not about doing more push-ups. It's about doing every push-up better. Follow for more science-backed fitness tips that actually make you stronger.